Okay, we're heading home from the WAWA now.
Yeah.
It is 10:40. What? 4:38 p.m. on December 22, 2000 and December 26, 2010.
Excuse me, Dan. Do you want to go to McDonald's?
Why? You want to go to McDonald's? Why?
I just to buy a milkshake.
Oh, I'll make you hot chocolate when we get back.
Huh?
I'll make you nutritious hot chocolate. Or banana. I'll make you a banana shake. We have a new mixer. And I have bananas, okay?
Yeah.
That'll be better nutrition, okay? McDonald's has too many calories. Must be new wipers. Making some noise.
Yeah.
There we go. Little turn. Road's not too bad at all. As long as you're comfortable driving on wet snow. Now we're heading north on Coastal Highway. I think the snow is supposed to continue until about the morning. I'm not sure what time tomorrow. And they're calling for high winds, but the wind is not very high right now. It's not very, maybe about 15 knots wind. You can see they've pushed a lot of snow up in piles here. A couple of places. So plows have been pretty busy keeping the coastal highway nice and clean. So there's no evidence of salt or anything thrown down on there, just pushing it off, and it's back down nice and quite comfortable to drive on. I don't know, I think there's a lot of drifts on the beach. We'll probably venture up there tomorrow morning. Get sun after the sun is up. Take a look. Our 130th Street. JR's Ribs, Davis, Pizza Hut. Oh, somebody walking on the road up here? Huh? Read it. So, do you know this girl? See if you know this girl. If she wants, she can get in the back.
I don't know. She's from Russia.
Huh?
Oh no.
You want to ride? See if she wants to ride?
No, she's American.
Okay. She didn't come to the car, okay. See if she wants to ride.
Police? Police? Police?
No, that's the Public Works, Ocean City, taking care of the roads. It's not the police, no. 7-Eleven is open. Turn left here. 42nd Street. Approaching the intersection. I was surprised my car was not plowed in with snow into the driveway, so I was able to back out. No, without much effort, just straight on out. Only got to drive through 4 or 5 inches deep snow, and boom, I was out on the street. It's getting warm in here. Approaching the house. Works.
The WBOC Storm Tracker Weather Center. I'm John Trout. Snowfall continues through this evening. Winds will be increasing with gusts to 40 miles an hour plus through the first half of the overnight. Blowing and drifting snow with whiteout conditions can be expected on Delmarva. Heavy snow should taper to flurries by mid-morning. The latest on watches.
See there, we're going to be snowing until tomorrow morning.
It's good. Beautiful.
From the Storm Tracker Weather Center.
Beautiful, yes.
I like snow.
Shoot. Looks like the plow was down the street since we left. Not bad. Let's see if we can crash land in the driveway here. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
I crashed.
Beautiful.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, wait a minute. Gotta get out of here in the morning too. Okay. That should be good. Okay, let's go get some hot chocolate.